When it comes to accounting software, FunctionFox might be on your radar, but before you make the decision to buy, here are 12 key things you need to know. We'll break down what FunctionFox offers and how it stacks up against its competitors. First, FunctionFox is designed to simplify project management and time tracking, making it an ideal tool for creative agencies and small businesses. But, unlike some alternatives like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, which offer broader financial features, FunctionFox specializes in time tracking and project budgeting, which means if you need a more all-encompassing solution, it might not be the best fit. Next, FunctionFox's user interface is clean and intuitive. It's relatively easy to get started, even if you're not tech savvy. This simplicity is one of its main advantages, especially when compared to the complexity of other accounting tools like Xero or Sage, which may require a steeper learning curve. The third thing to consider is its integration capabilities. FunctionFox integrates with tools like QuickBooks for accounting, which is helpful, but it doesn't have as wide a range of integrations as competitors like Zoho Books. This means if you're relying on multiple apps for different aspects of your business, you might face limitations. The fourth thing to note is that FunctionFox is geared specifically toward creative teams and freelancers. So, if you run a design, marketing, or consulting business, it could be a great fit. However, if you need something for more traditional industries, you may want to look elsewhere. Next, FunctionFox's pricing starts at $35 per month for the basic version, which includes time tracking and project management features. While it's affordable for smaller teams, it can get pricier as you scale, especially when compared to other software like Wave, which offers a free plan but lacks the project management features. The sixth thing is its reporting. FunctionFox offers customizable reports that help track time, project budgets, and other key metrics. While it provides useful insights, its reports may not be as detailed as what you get from more accounting-focused tools like FreshBooks, which also includes financial forecasting and tax features. The seventh thing to consider is the mobile experience. FunctionFox has a mobile app, but it's somewhat basic, especially when compared to something like QuickBooks, which offers a more feature-rich mobile experience that's better for on-the-go accounting tasks. Next, FunctionFox excels in client billing and invoicing, which makes it a good option for businesses that need to bill clients by the hour or based on project milestones. However, it's less suited for companies that need more advanced invoicing capabilities, like recurring billing, which is something FreshBooks does really well. The ninth point to think about is its customer support. FunctionFox offers decent support, but it's not as robust as what you'll find with larger companies like QuickBooks, which has 24/7 support. If you run into an issue, expect to wait for help during business hours. The 10th thing is its time tracking features. They're straightforward and easy to use, but for those needing more advanced tracking features like GPS tracking or more complex payroll integrations, something like T-Sheets, now QuickBooks Time, would be a better option. Next, FunctionFox's client management tools allow you to track projects, tasks, and deadlines. However, these tools are designed with creative teams in mind, so if you need a more generic CRM or project management tool, you might be better off with something like Zoho Projects. The 12th and final thing to know is that FunctionFox is a great solution for small teams and freelancers who need simple project and time tracking. However, if your business requires a full-fledged accounting system with tax reporting, payroll, and invoicing features, you might want to look at alternatives like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, which offer more comprehensive features. In conclusion, FunctionFox is a solid choice for creative agencies looking for a focused project and time management tool. But if you're after a more all-in-one solution, we recommend checking out our suggested alternative that offers more comprehensive features, and you can even try it for free.